Click on the link below to get price. The Lion 40-inch Liquid Propane Grill L90000 is a remarkable addition to any outdoor cooking setup, combining advanced features with a stylish design that caters to both amateur cooks and seasoned grill masters. With its 4 ceramic tubes, this grill delivers a consistent and even heat distribution, ensuring that your food cooks to perfection every time. One of the standout features of this model is its impressive cooking surface. The 40-inch grill provides ample space for grilling multiple items simultaneously, making it perfect for family barbecues or gatherings with friends. The stainless steel grates not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also ensure durability and easy cleanup. They hold heat exceptionally well, allowing for beautiful grill marks and a delicious sear on meats. The ignition system on the Lion 40-inch grill is straightforward and reliable, featuring an easy-to-use push-button igniter that ensures a quick start without the hassle of matches or lighters. The temperature control knobs are smooth and responsive, enabling precise adjustments to achieve your desired cooking temperatures. The flame tamers underneath are designed to catch drippings, minimizing flare-ups while maximizing flavor. Another notable feature is the built-in infrared rotisserie burner. This allows you to roast meats evenly, enhancing the taste and texture of your dishes. The grill also boasts a high-quality hood that retains heat effectively, enhancing cooking efficiency. The sleek stainless steel construction not only provides a modern look but also withstands the elements, making it a worthy investment for years to come. In terms of value, the Lion 40-inch Liquid Propane Grill L90000 strikes an excellent balance between quality and affordability. While it may not be the cheapest option on the market, the performance and features justify the price. For those seeking a grill that combines functionality, aesthetics, and reliability, the Lion L90000 is an exceptional choice that won't disappoint. Its user-friendly design and impressive cooking capabilities make it a standout in the realm of outdoor cooking.